Hey guys, it's Gabi and welcome back to the vlog. Ooh, the lighting's getting really bad right now. But today is Sunday and I'm vlogging today and I don't have any ballet because it is Sunday. I feel like I've been very productive this morning. I'm trying to get like my routine back on track and like really be mindful of my goals. So I meditated in the morning. I took a shower, I did my skincare, now I'm making breakfast, healthy breakfast. I'm just trying to get my life back on track. So that's what I'm doing, and then I'm gonna edit too as I'm eating and stuff like that. So I really want to get my vlogs up. I really want to start getting back into my routine.
The company, where we're going, where we've been, and also a lot of bonding and culture exercises.
I was trying to find the straw. Okay. Well, I'm editing right now. This is actually making me really nostalgic though. Everyone's together and happy in this vlog and it's making me remember. Oh my gosh. I have to edit all of these. I mean, like, oh my gosh, all the memories that are come flashing back. I wouldn't be surprised if I ended up crying while I was editing because I miss them so much. I miss Ballet West. I missed the whole experience. It was so much fun. But I'm also having so much fun at the DTH Summer Intensive. I'm just kind of sad. I'm also like babysitting my sister. She's in the other room. Natalia! Huh? That's her. Natalia! Do you want to say hi? No! To the vlog.
Like, look at this.
Okay. Oh, Natalia! You're spitting all over my camera. Thank you. It's so much easier vlogging on a tripod. Now I can't imagine not vlogging on a tripod. Like I used to vlog on my phone, then I used to vlog on my camera, but without a tripod. I really don't know how I did that. Okay, I need to get back to editing. But yeah, that's what's I keep missing the straw. That's what's going on. I'm a whole mess. Okay, this vlog I'm editing is cracking me up. If you guys, since this is the DTH Summer Intensive vlogs, if you guys haven't watched my Ballet West Summer Intensive vlogs, you really should because they're so much fun. They're funny. You get to see like my experience at Ballet West and staying in the dorms and being I always want to say halfway across the country. All the way across the country from my family because it's in Utah and I live in New York, so it was really far away. And I flew down there by myself and it's basically my experience. And by the time this is up, that means all my Ballet West vlogs are up. So go watch them, go binge them. They're in a playlist. I think the same playlist these videos are going to be in. So go watch them, they were really fun. I'm just cracking up at myself. Hey guys, so I posted my video. It already has 102 views. Yay! Posted it 3 hours ago. So I've been relaxing right now and now I'm going to make some tea and then edit day 18. So yeah.
Darling, you send me. I know you send me. Darling, you send me. I know you send me. Darling, you send me.
So I'm going to use this mask that I unboxed yesterday, Natural Recipe Tea Tree. And I'm using the tea tree one because it says it relieves redness and irritation and provides soothing relief and instant radiance to dull and tired skin, which is what my skin needs because I've become breakouts. So yeah, I'm gonna use this mask. It's supposed to start with a cleanse and to apply skin toner, which I did, both from Neutrogena. And now I'm going to use this face mask. So I got the face mask all figured out. So yeah, it's always hard to talk with a face mask. but I'm excited to see how this works. I'm supposed to leave it from between 20 to 30 minutes, so I'll update you guys.
Every single thing I was eating. It could be like a tiny snack, like an apple. Wait, because what you're doing.
Just to rub in the residue into my face. Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to the vlog. So today is Monday, so it's the first day of the second week of the DTH summer intensive. I did my skincare this morning. My face is looking a little bit better. It's still working out some and there's still like bumps here and here, but my face definitely felt smoother and like more alive from the face mask last night. And then this morning I put on cleansing oil, toner, my rose water, and my Cetaphil lotion. So yeah, and my lip treatment. Now I'm gonna do my hair. I packed my bag ready. I'm dressed. I'm wearing my Discount Dance Maria leotard, wearing my DTH shirt, Forever 21 shorts, tights, and a black leotard. Now I'm gonna go downstairs. Made my oatmeal. I wish I had some fruit or something to put in it, but I don't, so I'll just stick with plain oatmeal today. It's 7:40, so 7:41, so I don't think I'm catching the 7:45 bus. I'll try to make the next one. Alright guys, so I'm walking to the bus stop. The oatmeal I had was really, really good. I'm about to check for the buses. Probably should have done that before I left to know if I have to run or not. I used the Bus New York City app. It tells you where the bus is, 3 minutes. So I have a while to walk up the block to get to the bus stop. Because I live down there. The bus stop is over there. But sometimes it's the longest walk when the bus is coming and you need to get there quickly.
Darling, you send me. I know you send me. Darling,
Hey guys, we just finished Technique and Point. We had Technique with Deborah Austin. We have her like for a month. Is it a month during the year? 3 weeks, like almost a month during the year usually. And then, so we have her again. I think we have her for the next 2 weeks. So we might be having her for the next 2 weeks, but we definitely have her this week. And she's very Valencian, so we get a Valencian class. And then for Point, we have Miss Thomas, and I love her Point classes, but today was very sticky. And I think my shoes are going, so I have to sew my other ones. I've been wearing them for 6 weeks now, so I think it's time. Yeah, after this we have supplements, then variations, rehearsal. Oh! There's Logan, there's Christina. And then we have lunch now, so we have a break. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna finish my supplements homework because I didn't realize we had supplements today because the schedule didn't come out till this morning, so. Hey guys, guess who's back? Hi! Bye! We are walking to get food. Yes. I'm gonna get some fruit salad.
I spent a lot of time on it.
I see those flyaways in the back, Chloe.
Oh.
I'm kidding. Hey guys, so they've joined me. I walked back here by myself because I was hungry and they were going someplace. I finished my supplements homework.
I have granola. Oh my god. And carrots.
And the empanada you're eating.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. Level up, level up, level up, level up. What are you eating today? I had a sandwich and water. Gabi, what did you eat today?
Fruit and some skinny pop. Hey guys, so we just had supplements and then variations, so okay, Nia. So we had supplements in this board and supplements where we talk about dance history and history, which is really cool, and to introduce the project that we're going to do because we like improv and stuff like that, which is cool. And then we had variations with Deborah Austin, and we did a variation that I did at Ballet last, the 5 girls from Who Cares. So I knew it already, which is really cool, and it's good to like do it again and improve on the steps that I may not have gotten last time. And I love the variation, it's so fun. So it made our hour and 30-minute variation class go by so fast. Now we go straight into our rehearsal with Mr. Garland. Hey guys, so we just got out of rehearsal and we had a costume fitting for our show on August 4th. Yeah. And yeah, you want to say hi? Oh, I look so bad. So yeah, our day is over. We had rehearsal with Mr. Garland for August 4th. It's finally over. This has been such a long day. Maybe because it's Monday. Tomorrow's gonna be a long day. Yeah, because we start at 9 tomorrow.
Well, we don't, we still get out at 6.
Yeah, it's gonna be a long day. But now I'm gonna go home on the train and the bus. I'm hungry though, so I might get something from the vending machine to hold me over till I get home. I want to create, like if I'm doing like e-com jobs or so I got my vlog uploaded. This is it. Here is like the editing place. And yeah, guys, we're so close. Why my camera so rudely interrupted, as I was saying, we have 2,753 subscribers. Oh my gosh, we're nearing close to 3,000. Go tell all your friends and family to subscribe. Also, I've been watching this other YouTuber who vlogs ballet stuff as well. Her name is Luna Montana. She does like vlogs, ballet videos. And I just found her channel. I was like, oh. So I was watching some videos as I was uploading this vlog, but now I'm gonna go to bed.